Oh, here we are. We're expecting another ice storm come Saturday night, Sunday. So the Explorer has been trapped here since Christmas. So I want to get it out of here before I can't get it out of here. And just like to have both vehicles at home. And there he goes. He's still trying. The pickup's been able to make it in and out of here fine. But I couldn't get the Explorer out. There's no way. So here we go. And he's we're only doing about 15, and he's still pushing a lot of snow, and he's already been through here. Let's see, he V'd it twice, and I think this is his 5th time out. So at least the Explorer is going to be home. But it's pretty. I'm coming back here this weekend, or today, with the dogs, and whoa, hold the phone. Looks like we got a little bit of a problem here. I gotta back up. Shit, same spot where we had a hard time before. Just there's that curve there, and my neighbor here to the south riding their snowmobiles, and they got it all packed down, and it's just a pain. It's worse than making the marks with the pickup going in and out of here. How that kind of was a little bit of a pain in the ass when he fell off of where we packed it down. But sleds, man, they pack it down, and then it's just again, people not staying off of where they're supposed to stay, doing and going somewhere where they're not supposed to. But I'm trying to stay as close to him as I can, so if I get hung up, I can get out of here, or he can come back and get me. He's giving her hell, and he's got her all the way down, and we're still on top of snow. It's just, you know, they packed it down that bad. But there's one path in and out, so my neighbors try and get back in here. They try and get back in here, it won't be that easy for them. So, all right, everybody, peace. And we're gonna get to some stuff here soon. Take care. Bye.